Hi guys, hello. So I am here to talk about the reason why I am not staying in Cebu even though all my friends are living in Cebu and working in Cebu, and why I think passion is not necessarily needed to be your career. So last weekend I went to Cebu with my friends to celebrate Yanni's bridal shower and to hang out with my friends. Actually, I am very grateful. Every November, me and my friends celebrate our reunion in Cebu, and this time we are complete. We are 12 in the group, and some are in Mindanao, some are staying in Cebu, and some are staying in Manila. And also, one of our friends is staying in France, and she flew back here in the Philippines to celebrate with us. So I am very grateful to God that we are complete. And this is the first time na nakompleto kami. So it's really heartwarming. We had lots of pictures I will be posting in I'm sorry in advance. So, back to the topic. So, why nga na I am staying in Manila and working in Manila and not in Cebu even though most of my friends are there? So, Cebu is a place that I think of travel, leisure, and having fun. And Manila is the place where I work and earn money. And I think I don't want to mix it up. I want to associate Cebu only for fun and Manila for work. And I am thinking na if ever I work in Cebu, I would be distracted since my friends are there, and we will be maybe maybe we will be hanging out most of the time, or I'll always invite them in the house and hang out and watch movie and cook some things, which is fun. I really love that. But ano kasi, baka kasi if I work in Cebu, I will associate it also with stress, which is I don't like. I want Cebu to be my happy place. And though I don't think na lagi naman kami mag-hangout since my friends are lazy na when it comes to going out. Dati siguro nung mga 20, 21, 22 pa sila, they will be partying and going to bars. But now na nasa 26 and 27 na kami, parang nakakapagod na. So, ayun, that is the reason why I am not staying in Cebu for work, is I don't want to associate it with work and only associate it with friendship and having fun. And I want to relay that in having passion and career. I noticed na one of the problems or challenges of the graduating students is they don't know what career they will pursue once they graduated, and or what course actually would they take in college. Well, for me, it is okay choosing a career or a course in college na will help you earn money. Kasi one of my friends actually also told this, and naisip ko rin siya. Like, if you make your passion as your career, there will be instances, not all ha, there will be instances that you will be drained, since instead of having it as a passion and only doing it for fun and for relaxation, when you put it in career, when you put it as your career, it becomes a responsibility, it becomes a parang nagiging competition na siya. For example, photography. Yeah. My friends are photographers, di ba? So, they really like photography and it is their passion, but and they like it, a lot doing photography, but there are times when they feel na parang you are competing with anyone, and parang you are doing it just to parang for example, iba na to, for example, gaining clients or basta yun, parang it becomes something na you only want, di ba dapat passion is something you only want to do to relieve your stress or to heal your inner child, ayun. And once it becomes your work and your career, parang there are times na you need to fulfill the expectation of others. But it's just my point of view. And I just want to relay this message na for the students that hindi nila alam kung if they will take something, a course that is related to their passion or something that will earn them money. Siguro, if you have the capability to pursue your passion as your course, then go. And it is really, parang privilege talaga yun sa inyo na you can pursue your passion and through your course. But, for example, you have limited options and other kinds of reasons pa, you can definitely go with a course that you think will be in demand and will help you earn money. Since for example, I am not really a techie girl. I'm not a techie girl a lot, not really. But I took IT, and since alam ko na it will be in demand. It is in demand and it is growing, especially now with the rise of technology and AI. And IT as a career is very fulfilling. And then not fulfilling. It's not fulfilling, but it pays well. Not really well though. Kulang pa ako. I still don't have a lot of skills. But it pays well, and with the money that I got, I get to enjoy my passion, which is dancing and dressing up and cosplaying and traveling. So, yeah. And maybe I should really, like, hone up my skills para mas lumaki yung salary. And maybe, once I got really good na in IT and I can like I can do more for my passion. Maybe I can make contents out of it and maybe post and earn money on it, di ba? But not really full time. It depends. It really depends. But if you are a student who is struggling what to choose, go for your course or for your career. So if wala talagang choice, you can choose the course that is convenient and will be helpful for you. And if you have the privilege to pursue your passion, it's very nice as well. So, ayun lang. Ang daming daldal. Alas 12. It's 12 a.m. And I'm really happy. Really happy. Pero hindi pa rin ako chinachat ni Crush. Yun lang. Bye.